Namaste children, how are you all? I hope all are good. Today we are going to discuss. Today we are going to learn mathematics class. Today we have discussed some concepts that we have already learned, like big and small, thick and thin, short and long, and then so on. Some of the facts we have to revise some concepts. So let us revise some concepts. Okay. So these are these words are common words, right? We hear lot of time teachers, parents, brothers and sister telling you it is very big, you are very small, he is very height, and then it is very thin, it is very thick, so it is very long, it is very short. So we have observed that. Okay. So now, so it is defined as the size of the particular object, the size of the particular object. So we will use pictures easily identify which object is big, which object is small, so which object is thin, which object is thick, so which object is long. So we have to identify that. So we have easily observe the pictures and identify the identify the big and small, and then identify. So now I will share some screen, so you have to see that, and then so some of the examples are I will show on the screen. So now look at that. So now look at that. So here, short and long, short and long. Short, how do you spell short? S H O R T, short. And how do you spell long? L O N G. So we have see the pictures. So look at that. So it is long pencil, it is short pencil. So now, so we have see the observe the picture. So it is a long pencil, it is a short pencil. So particular object we see that, yes, we have to easily identify the short and long. So now look at the another picture. So it is a plant. So now two pots are there. So pots are same size, but plants are one long, one short is there. So it is a long plant, it is short plant. So it can be growth, it is already growing already. So it is continue the growing. So now, so now it is a short and long example. So we have in the textbook as first page of the pre numbers concept, that has first page has already, you have to see that. Now go for big and small. Now look at that. So big and small, how do you spell big? B I G. So it is big. And then how do you spell small? S M A L L. So it is called small. So now look at this picture, right side of the left side of the first picture. So the one boy as is sitting on the big ball. Look at that, he is sitting on the big ball. So now the girl as hold the small ball, has holding on the hand is small ball. So now it is a big and small concept. Now go for the right side of the picture. So it is big and small are the words are opposite words, you know that. Okay, it is big giraffe. So we have see that big giraffe, the small turtle. Look at that, it is a small turtle. So we can compare to it is big, it is small. So now go for another picture. So understand for big and small. Yes. Now go for heavy and light. So look at that, it is a watermelon. Now, so what is the weight of watermelon? It is more than 1 or 2 kg. So now look at that, it is a heavy compared to the grapes. Grapes is so small, take it. So it is a one top, so it has to be taken. So it is a small grapes. So compared to watermelon and grapes, watermelon is a heavy. So and then grapes are grapes are light. So now So it is the left side of the picture over. Now go for right side of the picture. So now which is the heavy? Which monkey has to take a heavy weight? So the left side of the first one monkey has heavy weight. So more than one bananas are there. So it is heavy weight of the banana. So another one is monkey has to taken only one banana, so it is light, so it is very high. So banana, it is more than one, is it called as heavy, so one banana is light. So now, so it is considered for the heavy and light. Now go for, so today, so now already learn short and long, so and then big and small, so now heavy and light. Now go for short and tall. So we have see the observe the pictures. So the two pictures, right side and left side, the short and tall is there. So it is tall. So and then observe the two pictures. Two pictures we can, it is, which one is tall, which one is short. So it is a tall boy. So look at that. So we can observe that tall and short. So now again go for the another picture, tall and short. So two dolls are there. One is short, tall toy, and another one is small short toy. So now look at this. It is a short and tall. How do you spell short? S H O R T, short. And then how do you spell tall? T A L L, tall. So now, so observe this picture. So we have to find the short and tall. Now go for thin and thick. So observe this picture. So number of pages, more than pictures pages are there. That is a book. So one book has to be small pages of the book is there. So more than number of pages are there. So that is called as thick book. So that is called as thick book is there. So another one is thin book. It is small pages of books, 10 or 20 pages books are there. It is more than 500 pages of book in the first one. It is a thick. It is a thick. So now thin is small. So small book it is. It is a small thin book and it is thick book. So compared to the these two books, which one is thick? The blue color of the book is thick. The pink color book is called is thin book. So we can consider for the particular object. Thin and thick. So which pencil is thick? So we can see the size of the object pencil. So look at that. It is a very thin pencil. So it is weakened. So another one is thick pencil. Now it is very thick pencil. Now it is considered for, so we can size of the, so size or volume of the object. So we can consider for the thick and thin. So now today, so in the first page of the book, so in the question revised concept is, first one is big and small, thick and thin. So look at this. So we have to see the short and long, big and small, heavy and light, short and tall, and thick and thin. So one and, so we can already consider for the one and more, one and many. So one is one apple and then many apples. So many banana, one banana and then many bananas are there. So now look at the concept also same. We have see that. Now observe that. So we have to, today your homework is write the short and long spellings, big and small, light and heavy, short and tall, thin and thick. Write the spellings two times in the CW. Okay. So now revise the concept today. I will tell that. So now, so what today we have revised the concept short and long, big and small. So now, so write these words in the CW two times. Okay. Write in the CW and write the, send one photo, my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you students. Okay. Dhanyavad.